Here we are at the factory to show you the divisions in the factory. Here is the engineering department. They design on the CNC. After the designing is finished, it goes direct to the CNC machine for cutting. And what can the CNC machine customize and what we can do with it? It can cut any design. It can cut per milli. It has automatic tools changing. When you talk about finishing, look at this lipping machine. So after we cut it, it be like this. And then I will show you how the finishing of the lipping machine. Now, if you look at the finishing of the lipping, see, here is the division of the aluminum and glass. We design and we manufacture in the factory. This is a special machine which makes the hole into aluminum for the hinges. Look at it, the holes, the cutting, look at the finishing of it. Here is the division of anything related to wood. TV unit, wardrobes, anything related to wood, we manufacture it here. Now here we are at the division of customizing the furniture. Any furniture, bed, sofa, chair, any design, we guarantee at the Royal Apex, the design is same as the manufacturing.